What's up, everybody? It's me, the Gaming Pickle, back with here another video. And here, I have 2030 piggy tokens. I get to buy anything I want. Even I get to buy a potato plum, bumble boom. But today I want to show you something I've worked all week on. Send skins extras. Oh, duh, wrong thing. Oh yeah, guys. You can tell me to buy any piggy skin you want. I have enough to buy any piggy skin. Comment down below. First when I see, and I'll do it. And if comments are turned off, well, I'll just do it next video. Boom. But come on, guys. I obviously got Archie, the big boy. I'm a big boy now. Skip the mode. Guys, what map should I play again? Oh no, I slipped. Not. I'm not. I'm gonna show you the thing I've been working on my whole life. Oh yeah, update on Mr. P skin. He does not fall through the floor anymore. You can be Mr. P now without dying. Dying. Wow. I hope he doesn't fall through the map during the section, but time will tell. But guys, look at him. He's taller than this sign. But he's the tallest skin in the whole game, and I own it. Like, some people take like 20 minutes. 20 minutes of my time I wasted. I took 9 days. People may have spent like hours of trying to find this thing, but like when they tried to get it when it came out and everyone knew how to get it, 20 minutes gone. But when I get it, it takes me double the time. Oh, I want to show you a magic trick. Break it down. Oh, no one's gonna escape my wrath. I'll plop out a trap. Didn't do it? What did you? T-I-O. T-I-O. The name T-O. I'm gonna show him play his magic tricks. Oh. He sees me. He's scared. He knows what he's doing. Oh, he's camping. Oh, campers are annoying, am I right? Am I right? Oh. So close. Hang on, I wanna try. Yeah. I know I can do this. I'm gonna do this. Oh, yeah, no. This skin can get this camper. Trust me, the skin can get the camper. Trust me. See, I told you. This skin is a great camper ruiner. Like, seriously, no. Like, I can show you on the mall map, the mall camp. I can show you the mall camp. It's the mall camp. You know how like people hide the vents? Just get this skin or get black hole traps. Either way works. Either way. It works. Now we're still here. Say hi, Ori. Say hi. Hi. See, he talks. Now I doubt. Quiet. See, he talks. I said I now I doubt. He's obviously lying. But just look at this skin. I can show you both 2 ways to get vent campers out of the mall map. Out of that one camp. So if like your piggy, and if you don't have the TIO skin, there's a good way. Get Alright, now I'm gonna wait for Weasel to get into the vent and camper. I'm going to show you 2 ways how to get vent campers. Pretty cool ways. Up here comes Weasel. Oh, there goes the ball. And I think he has officially vent camped. Weasel is vent camping. I don't want to do this. Yes, you do. Now, there's 2 ways to get vent campers. If you don't have the TIO skin, you can use black hole traps. And if you don't have black hole traps and you somehow get the TIO skin, you can also get the vent campers. Very easy tactic. And I can show you how. He fell. See, vent camper vented. Now I'm gonna let him climb back up. Wrong excavator, boo. Let him go around. While I wait for him, don't know what I'm gonna do. Entertain. Nah, 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 nah. No one can get me. No one can get me. No one. Alright, Weasel is officially vent camping. Boom! Ah, I got the hacks! Boom! Just nailed Weasel. If there's any other camp, yeah, I'm trying to think of any other camps other than the House Impossible camp. Oh, there's the Outpost camp. The Outpost camp. We all don't like this camp. The Outpost camp. Oh, none of us like it. None of us. And I'm going to show you a way to get people who do the Outpost camp. Like I said, 2 ways. Black hole trap and, well, to stop any glitches, just use black hole trap or the TIO skin. These are great ways to get. So, I guess we're going in then. My name's Zizzy. I die later. Oh, we get TIO back. TIO. Sorry. Love this skin. Alright, stop admiring the skin. Focus. Let's focus me. There's a lot of campers on Outpost. And I don't know what. They're like everyone's favorite map to camp on. Literally, it's impossible to get campers if you don't have black hole traps or the TIO skin. I'm showing you the most common, which is this camp. Alright, the most common camp is this camp. Oh, see, like, really annoying. My cat is touching him. Boom! You just have to jump with this dude. Boom! Done. There's more outpost camps. More outpost camps. Am I right or am I wrong? Don't pay attention to the voices in the background. Well, the naked bodies. Just peasants that live with me. Alright, so. Alright, now. This is where the signal came from. My name's Pony. I die later too. I guess we're going it. Oh, I totally forgot to do the promise I told myself, which is to whack Pony. As soon as I get the skin, I was gonna whack Pony. Entertainment show. Work. Waiting for Wisdo to get ready. Like I said, this T.O. skin. A T.I.O. Yeah, I'm doing it wrong. I'm doing it totally wrong. Entertainment. No. Only if I had 2 ults, it would be so good. But I don't have 2 ults, so I'm ranking up points. Yeah, you guys are game bored, aren't you? Let's get just. Oh, there's another. I was gonna show you like the next comment, but there's another camp. So Wisdo, you don't have to do that camp anymore. It's the fence camp. We all know the fence camp, and we all dislike it a lot of us do. And I bet half of you guys dislike this camp as well. Well, you know the fence camp, right, guys? It's like impossible to do on mobile. And I did it on mobile. No, I didn't. I did it on mobile. Everyone knows I'm a king. Now, you guys all have heard of the vent camp. Vent camp was glitches, all that jazz. How do you get past him? Well, it's simple. You just have to grab this soldier, I think. No, Zizzy, no, Zizzy. Never mind, you don't need him. You just need whoever to come like here. Boom, right through the fence. Through the fence. I know. Now time to do my favorite thing. T.I.O. just wrecked Pony. Because how annoying he is. Oh, throw out dogs. What? I trapped Pony. Why won't it let me jump on it? I can see how useful a T.I.O. is. Run, doggy, run! Then there goes the weasel. Jump! Boom! I mean, the air taking him by surprise. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Everyone loves the skin. Now, the finishing touch. Oh, we still got a gun? Boom! Subscribe and like the bell